Holy shit, I look like Velma from Scooby-Doo. I cut my hair so short. Oh my god. I look like a little boy, so I'm gonna put on earrings and then I'll be right back. Hey guys, it's Mashaba, and today's video is gonna be a review on the brand new Khloe Kardashian and Malika collaboration with Becca Cosmetics. This is gonna be a highlighter review. So this is going to be like an actual in-depth review. This time I actually know what I'm saying and I already have an opinion. This is not gonna be a first impressions. I tried this out a few times, so I know how I feel about it. So I'm gonna just skip to the tea right here. So this highlighter is really different from other highlighters I have. This comes with like a little sifter. And when you open it, it comes out in like a little charm. So literally one highlighter thing will be like a heart, which is really cute. And then another one is gonna be like an X. Can you see that? I don't know, I'm really bad at this. And then another one's gonna be an O, so this is about to be love and friendship and all this shit. I think this is like a BFF collab with Becca. So this is what makes this different from other highlighters. Typically you get a pan right here, so like this usually comes with multiple highlighters. So I see what Becca tried to do. They try to be outside the box and look cute. I know other brands have done this. They have like little highlight pearls here and there. I'm gonna include the swatches right here. I'm gonna compare it with these cult favorite highlighters with the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit and the Jaclyn Hill and Becca Champagne Pop highlighters. So I'm gonna show you guys that right now. So first I'm going in with the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit. I'm gonna go into the shade Gumdrops, roll my finger in there, and then I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. So this is what Gumdrop looks like. This is really blinding, as you guys can see right there. I barely went in there and this is extremely reflective. Now I'm gonna go in with another Becca highlighter. This is Becca Champagne Pop. Oh my god, this is so cracked. This is so fucked up because I use this so much. I used to use this every single day back when I had school. So I'm gonna try to get a swatch in there, even though this looks like it's literally ready to decease into the dust. I'm gonna get at some of the chunks and I'm gonna show you guys right here. This is extremely blinding, like wow. So you guys can see it's not the lighting that's the problem, it's just that this highlighter that I'm about to show you guys, it's just not good highlight. I'm gonna go in with the Khloe and Malika highlighter. I hope I'm saying her name right. I'm gonna go in on a clean finger. And okay, so one big problem I had with this is that the other highlighters you swish around in a pan versus this, you have to grab one of the charms and kind of like clumsily put your finger around it, and it just makes it a lot more complicated than it needs to be. Also, the swatch is never consistent because sometimes it's darker, sometimes it's lighter, and so because the charms are a different color, the hearts are a darker color than the other charms, so I don't like that, even though they're supposed to be cute. This is this right there. This literally looks like nothing next to the other two. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. You guys will definitely see what I mean. So these two highlights look way more blinding than this one, as you can see. So I think off the bat, there are definitely a lot of other highlighters that are much better than this one. Just, I don't like it. So based on the swatches, you guys can tell I don't like this off the bat based on swatches. And not only do I not like the swatches, it just didn't perform that well in the face. I wore it out for a couple of hours today and you can't really see it. I just feel like I didn't wear anything on my face. It just feels like I put loose powder with glitter in it. I don't really see it as reflecting, especially compared to these guys that I've used so many times on my channel. This is way more blinding. This is so much better. Not only does it not look good in the wear test, it just didn't apply well either. I'll show you guys the application. So when you first go into it, it's kind of hard to go into it because you have these little charms, so it looks kind of weird. It's like, which one do you go in first? How do you go in there? I always apply highlight with my finger just because I'm too lazy to clean brushes and beauty blenders, so I just use my fingers so I don't get a disease. It really didn't show up at all. I was wondering if I put on enough, and the more and more I kept putting it on, it just didn't show up, and at that point I was like, what the fuck am I doing? Like, I went in on both cheeks and I really didn't see a difference, and it just wasn't reflective at all, and I was just wondering, am I doing this right? Am I applying this right? It's highlighter, it's not rocket science here. You literally just go in and you swipe it on the high points of your face. So I was wondering, and when I put it on my cheeks, it literally didn't show up. So then I put it on my inner corners and on my eyelids because that's also what I do with my highlight. And even then it barely showed up. It was definitely there, but I just didn't see shit. I didn't see a difference. But I thought maybe it was the lighting. Okay, to be fair, sometimes highlight just doesn't show up with these artificial lights, so I did test it out under different lighting conditions. I'm gonna include a clip of me in the car. So the car lighting with the sunlight and everything, that shit never lied. Notice that one side of my face was glittery, it was kind of blinding, but not really, and the other side was basically non-existent. And the problem is that with these charms, you have a darker charm right here, which is the heart, and then you have the lighter charm, which are like the X's and the O's. So you get a really inconsistent application. One side will be darker than the other, which I don't really get with, you know, more consistent, more, you know, traditional highlights like this. So I did not like that. Also, it barely showed up even under the sunlight. So not only did it not show up in the car, I also tried this out just with regular sunlight, just being out and about and shit, and this shit still did not show up. Also, if you guys are seeing me with longer hair with like the original application and like the check-in and stuff, that's because you are not going crazy. I had a haircut today, so my hair was a lot longer than this. Also, I even put on setting spray after I put on the highlighter, so my face was wet. I tried that again and it really didn't do shit because in the end you could barely see the highlight and you still can't really see it. It's just my entire face that's being shiny. My face is just oily like that. The highlight didn't do shit really. I don't like it. The packaging is really cute. The concept is really cute. At the same time, it does feel really cheap because it is cardboard. It's really hollow cardboard. Versus the Anastasia, you do get cardboard, but it definitely feels a lot more sturdier, if that makes sense. So already the packaging is cute, but it's definitely not the best. I definitely think Champagne Pop is way better. I would open it to show you guys, but it's literally gonna crumble off and poof in the air, so I'm not gonna show you, but that's how you know I really love this shit. I don't think I'll ever be using this highlighter again because this was basically a waste of glitter and money on my cheeks. This product was basically a fail for me. But yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye!